in our service to the church, to the society.
In an endeavor to harness the power of music as a catalyst for change, the National AIDS Control Organization and Meghalaya AIDS Control Society would organize the Red Ribbon Superstar Meghalaya Icon 2023 edition. Speaking to media persons, Inspire Relations and Communications, W. Alexander Kharkongor said that this innovative rock band music contest aimed at fostering awareness on HIV and AIDS will showcase the talents of dynamic participants hailing from every corner of Meghalaya. Scheduled for the 30th of November 2023 as an integral part of the multimedia campaign, Inspire Relations and Communications is conducting various activities in colleges across Meghalaya, actively engaging with the youth.
This event is actually a rock band music contest that we have been organizing for the last 12 years. So this will be the 12th edition of the Meghalaya Icon. And this event will be held, the audition will be held on the 30th of this November at Community Hall, Wyandotte, Shillong.